Hello everyone, welcome back to Zesty Eats. Today we're gonna cook sweet and sour eggplant. The recipes will be in the description box. Let's begin. Step 1. Season and fry the eggplant. We will season the eggplants with salt, red chili powder, and turmeric powder. Cut the eggplant in halves and make couple of slits in the back. Also, poke with the fork. This will help the eggplants to season properly. Now add the seasoning and coat both sides of the eggplants. Now to fry, we'll add half cup of oil in a heated pan. Let the oil heat up, then we will add our eggplants. Cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes until it turns slightly brown. Now flip it and cook the other side for 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure the eggplants are not fully cooked and still firm. Once done, set it aside. Step 2. We'll cook the eggplants in our sweet and sour gravy. For this, we will need oil 2 tablespoons, chopped onion 1 cup, chopped tomatoes 1 cup, Tamarin Paste 2 teaspoons, Pach Phoron 1 teaspoon, dried red chilies I took about 6, salt as per your taste, and sugar 2 teaspoons. Now let's cook our gravy. Heat up a pan and add the oil. Once the oil heats up, add the dried red chilies. I took about 6. You can add more or less as per your taste. Fry it until it changes color. Then we'll add our Pach Phoron. Fry it for a couple of minutes. You'll see a beautiful smell coming out of it. At this point, add the chopped onion. Cook it for a couple of minutes until it changes its color. Now, add the chopped tomatoes. Mix them properly. Now season with salt. I took about 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir it and mix it together. Cover it and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes until the tomato softens. Already beautiful smell is coming out of our dish. And see, the tomatoes give that a rich color. Now we will add our tamarind paste. This tamarind paste will give our dish a tangy flavor. Mix it properly. Now to balance out our tangy flavor, we will add our sugar. I took about 2 teaspoons of sugar. Stir the mixture and add about 2 tablespoons of water. Now add the eggplants to the gravy. We'll cook it in the gravy so it absorbs all the delicious flavor from the gravy. Now cover it and cook it for about 7 to 8 minutes. See now, the eggplants are fully cooked and it has absorbed all the sweet and sour flavor from the gravy. It's smelling so good. In my house, everybody loves this dish. I tend to cook this dish anytime I host a party at home. It's a crowd pleaser. It's simply delicious and easy to cook. Now serve it in a dish, garnish with some cilantro, and it's time to eat. If you like this recipe, I hope you will make it at home and try it with your family. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.